In this video, you will learn how to screen record using CapCut. To get started, open up CapCut on your desktop or laptop. Now, locate and click on the record screen option. Next, it's time to select which part of your screen you want to record. You can simply click on any area of your screen. A rectangular selection box will appear. You can drag the corners of this box to choose a specific portion of your screen that you wish to capture. If you accidentally select the wrong area or wish to make adjustments, don't worry, just right-click anywhere, and it will clear your current selection. After resetting, click Record Screen again. This allows for another chance at selecting what part of your screen you'd like to record. This time, when prompted with options highlighted in green, simply click on your desktop itself if you want to record everything visible on your screen. Once you've selected your desired recording area, look down at the bottom options bar where you'll find additional settings. First up is the camera icon. If you want to include a video feed from your webcam during recording, you can select it here. For this example, let's skip adding a camera feed by not selecting any camera option. Next is the microphone icon. If audio input is needed during your recording session, perhaps commentary or voiceovers, click here and choose from available microphones connected to your device. With all settings adjusted as desired, whether that's opting out of using a camera or selecting an appropriate microphone, it's finally time to start recording. Click Start Recording. A 3-second countdown will appear on screen so you have time to prepare before it begins. While recording, users can pause at any moment if they need a break or wish to gather their thoughts. Simply hit pause and resume when ready. When finished with capturing content, just end the session by clicking the stop button. Finally, once you've stopped the recording process, you'll have options available for exporting and saving your video locally or further editing it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.